Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to talk about three soft skills, mix of it. But in this video, we are going to discuss about three skills which are really important, and it will help you personal skills, and also it will help you to grow as a person. So first skill is a cold emailing. Cold emailing, many of you don't know about cold emailing. Cold emailing is the skill. Basically, you email a person for a particular reference or a particular thing which you don't know. Like if you want know about digital marketing or something like video editing, you message or you in the cold emailing you have to write the email to a person. From that you can go towards and create the opportunity. Next skill is a prompt engineering. As a AI grow, as a people using more chat gpt GPT-4 and bunch of more AI tools, then you need to write a particular prompt so you can get more accurate result. As like you have to skill to write on a Google what you want to take as a result. You need to write a particular prompt so you can get more accurate and more beneficiary result. So it will help you to get most out of result from AI, and it will help you to more betterly communicate with machines. So as AI grows, you need to learn about prompt engineering, because for a similar topic you just change the prompt. Prompt means particular keywords. In a near future it will be a great opportunity in this industry, prompt engineering. So it will be becoming mainstream within 1 or 2 years. So you should learn how to write a prompt and optimize it, and you can get maximum result out of it. You can use it in a chat GPT, GPT-4, in Mid Journey, and DALI, and bunch of AI tools you can use in it. And the third and last skill which I prefer to you is a soft skill. It's a speaking in a public. Like a speaking in a public means you can start with writing your thoughts. If you have a not you just start with simple thoughts. You can write on a Twitter, or you can share it your learnings on a LinkedIn. What you learn, what you the different things which are really good and helps you to build up your writing skills. And after that you can convert it into a speaking in a public. Because if you start to speak in a public means public speaking, so you can learn more and more about how to handle the audience pressure, how to build critical thinking, how to communicate with audience very well, and how through a public speak you can share or convey your message through the public speaking. So public speaking, it's a really good way to start. And you can start with talking in small groups like 10 or 20 people. So it will help you. So I am talking about three skills: cold emailing, uh, speaking in a public, and prompt engineering. You have to learn about a prompt engineering, use it, speak in a public, share your knowledge and your thoughts in a public, and you can use it to create more and more opportunity from cold emailing. Cold emailing is the best skill you can learn in your 20s. It will help you to take more and more faster and better opportunities towards your career. I hope you like the video, and if you like, then you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.